Oh, it's Basenjis in the backyard again. Zinga. Yeah. It's nice out here at the moment. So we came out here to just hang out for a bit. And we're just admiring this beautiful day. Right? Right, guys? Time to lay down and just relax for a bit. Them anyway, not me. We hope you guys are having a great day today. Just wanted to get some outdoor time with the pups. They're gonna go explore for a little bit. How's everybody doing today? We hope you guys are doing great. For those of you who missed yesterday's live stream, it's out there. By all means, check it out. It's kind of long, but hey, we appreciate your support by watching our videos and clicking like and sharing and all that fun stuff. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Join our pack, as they say. Become one of our fellow adventurers. All right, so we just had our grass cut today, so these guys are gonna start gobbling grass like they always do. Ugh, stop that. Ah. They love to eat grass. I don't know why. All right, well, it's just a beautiful day out here. What are we looking at? 85 degrees at the moment. And we've got our oregano and massive amounts of rosemary. I picked 2 jalapenos today, and we've got 2 more growing in there. Kind of cool. See a couple more in there. All right. Come on, Zulu. Yep, just a beautiful, lazy day. Always got to get some outside time, right, buddy? Yeah. And she's still over there chomping away. They love eating our cut grass. I have no idea why. Anyway, hope y'all have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember to like and subscribe. See ya.